Professor Comfort Memfin Ekpo symbolizes educational excellence in Nigeria. Her journey inspires young girls and women across the nation. Professor Ekpo's relentless pursuit of knowledge. Her passion for education grew stronger over the years. She excelled remarkably in her field, breaking barriers. A trailblazer and the first female vice-chancellor of the University of Uyo. Professor Ekpo's career at the University of Uyo was groundbreaking. Her dedication and innovative thinking propelled her to new heights. Shaping the future of learning, Professor Ekpo envisioned education for everyone. Prof. Ekpo empowered youth and women significantly, nurturing young potential and inspiring growth. Celebrating Professor Comfort Ekpo's remarkable legacy, a true testament to excellence and dedication. Partnering for educational advancement. Professor Ekpo believed collaboration drives change. Tackling complex challenges required collective effort and unity. Professor Ekpo's influence is remarkable. Her impact transcends borders and cultures. Professor Comfort Ekpo's life is a testament to making a difference. Her journey inspires. Her commitment to education, empowering youth and women, and creating a just society. Her story shows our power to impact positively. Continuing the legacy, inspiration for generations. Celebrate Professor Comfort Ekpo's achievements. Her story is a beacon of hope. Be inspired by her belief in young potential. Join us on Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, for a public lecture to mark her birthday and retirement with the theme, Women as Drivers of Excellence in Nigeria's Public Service, by Professor Nnenna Odi herself, the first female Vice-Chancellor of Federal University of Technology, Owerri, at the 1,000-seater Tetfund Auditorium, University of Uyo, main campus. Time, 11 a.m. Be there.